All right, we're bringing it back. Me and Danny starting to clean up the frame. What we can do right now while we wait. Where that magnet came from, but yeah. Right now we took off the shock mount. We're gonna take off. We took off the e-brake, the clutch pedal. It's still there, but we unbolted and shit. Pitman arm, stuff like that. You see the clutch pedal, and like that. See? That's the clutch pedal, but it's bolted on this side. Brake is over here, but everything is starting to get unbolted. The column is unbolted, but the column, you have to unbolt it. You have to unbolt it from the inside, and you have to pull down this way. You have to pull down because it's bolted on the column. I had to take the steering wheel, disassemble the column, and then it goes. You bring it down and out the truck. So it's a one piece. So, like, we're not gonna use it. I can cut it here with a saw, chew, and that'll be it for it. But you know, some people might still want some original parts off of this truck, but might go all to the trash. Metal Man is gonna be happy when he comes. Metal Man has all that metal right there, so he's gonna be happy. So we're gonna time lapse me how to do this one right here, but that process you do it all to all the rivets. I'm not gonna be able to get in there because the bar is in there, but I want to take that cross member off too. I'm gonna see if I can get that side done. I'm gonna see what I can do on this side, but I'm gonna take that bar off. I'm gonna see what I can get to today, but it's not. We're not gonna disassemble the whole front end because I still want the placement of the front wheels, because we have to measure everything and start marking a lot for the new K member, and the K member doesn't get here until December, like the end of December. So this front sub has to stay there until then. But I'm gonna see if the rear gets in before, so we can do the 4-link on it. The diff, I don't know if the diff gonna make it. I think it was 3 weeks out too, so it's just a waiting game for it. But for right now, I'm just gonna show you how to take off rivets the easy way. You're gonna cut them off, and you're gonna use your air hammer to break the rivet head, and then you use your punch to air out the fucking rivet. But it's three easy steps. If you got the right tools, it's gonna be so easy. We got a brand new Bad Dog cutting blade. If y'all saw when I went to SEMA, that's the main thing I went for, because we knew we was gonna get this shit, and I wasn't gonna spend all day with fucking death wheels cutting everything off when you're gonna use that motherfucker. And that motherfucker just worked so beautiful. We got the brand new snap-on gun that Snap-on Pete hooked us up with. He came on Wednesday night, dropped that off, and gave me all brand new blades for it. That motherfucker works super beautiful, because I had the Harbor Freight, but it doesn't have the power that motherfucker has. But that's the brand new blade, the chisel, and the point. He gave me a special chisel to cut off rivets, but I used it here dried. I didn't cut, I didn't make the cuts with the Bad Dog. But that motherfucker, I didn't really like how it worked, and it started dulling it up. See this little points right here? It started dulling it. But he said this is the chisel for rivets. I don't know. We're gonna give it a second try, but later on, probably when we do this K member. Right now, we just gonna do the method that I saw that it works so fast, is using this flat chisel and this pointy one, and we use this one later, but not right now. So I'm gonna just set you guys up on a tripod where you can see, and I'm gonna do it real time, not time lapse, real time. This is real time. We still have to set up. Just around the motor, right way, around the motor. Cutting disc. Bad Dog cutting wheel with lifetime warranty. We're just gonna use the chisel. Use the punch. That's it. And she's off. No damage. You can still reuse it, no damage. That was real time. All right, bringing it back. You guys just saw real time. I took the 2 shock mounts, the e-brake mount. I was gonna do that, but I think we still need it there so it can help us when we align the new frame. Like, we're gonna weld on supports, not supports but brackets, so this motherfucker won't shift and move on us, so it won't split open. So I'm gonna leave it there, and I'm gonna just, the thing is, it has a rivet in the bottom right there going up or going down, and it has 4 on the outside, but that one's holding the shackle. So we're gonna leave that alone, and then just cut it with a saw off. Cut it here and get rid of this stuff so the metal man can take it. This one has to leave too, that one has to leave, but we have to brace it before anything. So for right now, that's gonna be good. I just gonna get me a saw blade, brand new one, and just cut that one down, and then we just cut the other one down or take it fully apart once we are there in the part of the build. But for right now, I'm not gonna touch it because I don't want the frame wheels to split open. But I just wanted to show you how easy it is to cut the fucking rivets with the right tools. It was less than, what, 2 minutes to do that one. So another 2 minutes, 2 minutes, that's 4 minutes, another 2 minutes, that's 6 minutes just to get those shits off. But that's it. We'll bring you back as we go on the other videos for this truck. Probably next weekend we take off the bed and lift this motherfucker sideways and leave it up standing, that bed standing up too, so they can come and sandblast the wheel tubs, 4 wheel tubs, and the bottom of this the bottom of the belly and the firewall on this shit. The frame does not get sandblasted until it goes to powder coat. But that's it for this video.